Hi, I'm Kunal Raginwar. Same thing here. This is a very repeatable pattern that there is a bear market. उसके बाद ये जो previous pivot है, price starts going above it. उसके बाद a fall comes. Last two cases I'm going to do. तो currently these are scary times in the market. मतलब market is falling week on week. ऐसे लग रहा है कि यार have we started another bear market? So we'll have a look at कि exactly क्या हो रहा है मार्केट में. We'll have a look at कि examples of past से हम कौन से सिचुएशन में सिमिलर सिचुएशन देखेंगे हम और एनालाइज देखेंगे करेंगे कि कैन वी कंपेयर द पास्ट टू व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन द फ्यूचर. बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, प्लीज शेयर, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. सो नाउ वेलकम टू द गेम चेंजर्स. तो निफ्टी में राइट वी हैव नाउ बीन फॉलोइंग फॉर 5 weeks in a row. It doesn't look good 5 weeks in a row. But overall what we have done is हम लोग ने ये जो प्रीवियस हाई था मार्केट का ये ब्रेक कर दिया ऑन द अपसाइड, राइट, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर फॉलोइंग. This happened after we went through some kind of a bear phase where price went below the weekly 50 moving average. So we'll have a look at कि ये situation हमने past में कैसे देखा है. See this situation here. The price went below the moving averages, which is the 50 moving average. उसके बाद ये जो rise है यहाँ पे it broke the previous high. Right? And then a fall came. Same thing happened here. If not for this high, you can even compare this high where ये all time high भी तोड़ता है ये rally, and then a dip comes. What about this? So this fall happened, which was a bear market. Then a pivot was made, and then price started moving above the 50 moving average, right? Same thing here. This is a very repeatable pattern that there is a bear market. उसके बाद ये जो previous pivot है, price starts going above it. उसके बाद a fall comes. Last two cases I'm going to do. Bear market, bear phase, sideways phase. But उसके बाद this pivot high is taken out, this pivot high is taken out, and then we get a fall. Now this fall, ये जो fall आया है, right, this fall, have a look at what happens after these falls. Same thing, the fall comes here, right? Another fall after a bear market comes here. This was the big fall. Now currently doesn't it look similar like all of these situations? We don't know कि ये market कब bottom out होगा, right? I think it's very difficult to say because ये यहाँ से भी घूम सकता है और it can come to something like this level also, right, which is 23,400, 23,900, all these. But this opportunity overall is an opportunity where you should take advantage, ऐसा मेरे को लगता है, because after this tough times comes really good times in the market, right? You can see in all of these examples that these are really tough times and where people do not believe that we are in a bull market. I believe that we are in a bull market and this is a bull market correction. Can I be wrong? Of course I can be wrong, but I would like to play this probability that somehow prices might come here, or even from these levels, right, where we are. Whenever price starts closing above this, ये जो लाइन है ये मैं मार्क कर रहा हूँ, this, we would be very close to making a long term buy. See, when this falls, ये जब मार्केट गिरता है, we want price to start moving up and break these resistances. Same thing here, because these moves are what we are actually in the market for. You know, these moves, then this move, this move, potentially another move, right? That is just probabilities, but overall there is a lot of potential in the market. Now, why am I telling this, that overall there is a lot of potential? Because currently ना, आप मार्केट में देखोगे तो there is a lot of uncertainty with related to the tariffs and whatever is going on in the world, right? There's a lot of uncertainty. What we want to do is clear our heads, remove the noise and focus on the charts. आप जाके प्रीवियस चार्ट्स देखो, प्रीवियस ईयर्स के बेयर मार्केट्स कैसे एंड होते हैं देखो. If you want, you can have a look at our video, which I think was posted 2-3 months back. It will be there in the playlist for sure, where how bear markets end and what is the best time to buy in the market. I will also link the videos in the description. It will help you a lot and it will give clarity. Chalo, bye. See you on Monday.